Questions 17 to 25 of. So, work out the value of 9t squared when t is equal to 1/3. So this is a substitution problem. 9 times 1/3 squared. Squared means times by itself, so it's 9 times 1/3 times 1/3. Multiplying fractions, times the top, times the bottom. So that is 9 times 1/9. 9 is the same as 9 over 1. Multiplying fractions, get 9 over 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 1 times 9 is 9. So that is 1. Question 18. Y equals 8x plus 5. Work out the value of y when x equals negative 2.5. So y equals 8 times negative 2.5 plus 5. 8 times 2.5. I guess 8 times 2 equals 16, and a half of 8 equals 4. So altogether that's 20. So 8 times negative 2.5 be negative 20. So y equals negative 20 plus 5, which equals negative 15. Alright, so that's negative 15. Question 19. The area of a rectangle is 5 centimeters squared, so that could be 1 centimeter wide and 5 centimeters long. The rectangle is enlarged by a scale factor of 2, so that means it's twice as big. So it's going to be 2 wide and twice as long. So work out the area of the enlarged rectangle. Area is base times height, so it's 2 wide, 10 high, the new area, 20 centimeters squared. Question 20. Work out the angle marked A. This one in here is 120 because they are corresponding angles. They make, so that means A equals 120 degrees because it is an opposite, vertically opposite angles. Question 21, factorize. So that means I need to find a common factor between 7 and 14. They're both in the 7 times table, so 7. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 2 is 14, so it's x minus 2 left behind. 9 divided by 1/3. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the flipped over fraction. So 9 divided by 1/3 is the same as 9 times 3 over 1. 9 is just 9 over 1. When we multiply fractions, we times the top and times the bottom. So we end up with 27 over 1, which is 27. This is not really a foundation question anymore. It used to be, but not anymore. I'll go through it very quickly. It's multiplying, so it's y plus 5, y plus 8. 5 times y is 5y. Y times y is y squared. Y times 8 is 8y. 5 times 8 is 40. Down the diagonals, 40, 13y, y squared. So our answer is y squared plus 13y plus 40. Rearrange the formula. So this is just like solving to make x the subject. So this is solving to find x. So we're going to use a function machine. So x times 3 plus 7 equals y. Going back the other way, minus 7 divided by 3. So x is equal to y, take away 7, divided by 3. I put the brackets around to make sure that I did the minus 7 first, because the minus 7 is the first arrow. Work out the length of AB. It's a right angle triangle, so it's Pythagoras. And it's a short side, so we will subtract. Okay, so it will be C, B, A. So A squared is equal to 26 squared minus 10 squared. I don't know this, so I'll work it out over here. 26. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4. Down the diagonals, 6, 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. So it is 676 minus 100, a squared. So a is equal to the square root of 576, which off my calculator I know is 24, and the unit is centimeters.